Having trouble sending messages from your iPhone to an Android? Here's how to fix it. First, make sure you are sending a regular text message and not as an iMessage. iMessage only works between Apple devices. After that, go to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and tap on Messages. Here, search for Send as Text Message and toggle that option on. And now your iPhone should be able to send text when iMessage is not available. But if it still does not work, try resetting your network settings and make sure your Android contact's phone number is correct and saved properly. Finally, restart your iPhone to refresh its connection. And after these steps, your iPhone should be able to send messages to Android devices without any issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching till the very end and stay tuned for our next upload.